Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the gift zone, two deals, pretty much the gift section that they have here at this Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, so help us out with that. Let's go ahead and get started. So walking in here, this is a store in Gilbert, South Gilbert, Arizona. So if you guys know where that is, that's where the store this is. So we got the gift zone here, or the gift center, whatever you want to call it. Mostly Cobalt. Looks like we got this Craftsman set there. It's actually on the wrong place if you guys look at the price. But yeah, it's a really nice set here for the DIY. You get pretty much a tape measure for each truck, or inside the house, outside the house, and the truck and stuff like that. So you get some DeWalt phone accessories here, some headphones, some car chargers, pretty much USB cables. They seem to be rugged. I would just definitely just buy regular cell phone chargers. Got the Tilt TV wall mount for $29.98. So it's a nice set. You got $39.98 for that one. That one's pretty much you can move it anywhere. It's a 24 to 65 inch TV. So, and you still got plenty of these 20 piece. Usually when I go to, for $49.98, usually when I go to Lowe's, they run out of those. So on this Lowe's, they have plenty of them. So you got the 3-piece groove joint pliers for $12.98. You got the tape measure for $9.98. So that's a pretty nice tape measure actually. You get to have that double-sided, as you guys see there, double-sided numbers there. You can pretty much, you can choose your color from green to white. So then you got this one, $12.98. It's a 100 lumen, virtually indestructible. That's what they call it. So 100 lumens, it does include 4 batteries. You got $49.98. Alright, we got an 118 piece set there. And then $12.98 for the 3-piece, $12.98 for either of those two. So your preference, if you want different ones, groove joints, pliers, or just adjustable. $4.98 for the bottle opener, it looks like it. And you got a screwdriver, precision screwdriver set for $3.48. So that's all they have left. They don't have the blade or the utility knife. Then $4.98 for some screwdriver, 6-in-1. And you got a compact lockable knife for $4.98, I guess. So they don't have the knife, they just have the screwdriver set there, or bit set. $4.98 for the smaller pliers and the hammer. You got $3.48 for the hammer. So I guess the hammer's on sale. That's a 2-piece mini pliers. And that's the hammer, 16 ounce. Pretty nice. Good for the clearance price. $13.98 for a PVC cutter. That's it right there. And then $9.98 for the 65 piece. Then $159 for the 286 piece. It looks like a drawer, plastic drawers. Then $19.98 for those pliers. Pretty much like an all-inclusive plier set. And then they got this. $49.98 for a 73 piece. Looks like a homeowner's, like a first time homeowner's type of kit there. Got some screwdrivers there with some precision screwdrivers in the middle. $145 for the 286 piece. That's it right there. Looks like you get some wrenches with that. A lot of little bits you get with that. $14.98 for the 6-piece mini plier set. So that's the set right there. That's a lot of little pliers there. $14.98 for the 100-piece driver bit set. That's a nice set. It does include those star bits and those security bits, hex, squares. Those are the security bits there next to the cobalt sign. And you got $14.98 for the 3-piece utility knives or lockable knives, like lockback. Then $19.98 for this wrench or socket set. My bad. You do get some star bits, some security bits there to the left. You guys see them? Some Phillips on the bottom. Then mostly regular sockets. I really don't like these kits because they don't have the longer sockets. Sometimes you need the longer ones. I personally prefer to have the longer ones. $4.98 for the 12-inch tool tote. Looks pretty nice. I mean, it's durable. $4.98 for the 350 lumen. $14.98 for the 600 lumen. And $19.98 for the 1000 lumen. So that's the 350 lumen right there with the 6 batteries. Or 3 batteries. And then this one's the 600 lumen. And then you got the 1000 lumen there. So like I said on the previous videos, I'm not really a fan of battery operated flashlights. I prefer to charge them, recharge them, not spend so much on batteries. I'd rather invest the first time in in a quality rechargeable flashlight. You got a 50-piece right there, Irwin. Then you got the retractable utility knife. Looks pretty nice. $24.98 was $39.98. It's always been $24.98 actually. There's just maybe the MSRP price after it came out, $9.98 for a 15-inch two-tote. Looks pretty nice. It's a soft rubber right there. Maybe a little too soft. Maybe it's gonna. I think the soft handle there is gonna break. But the rest of the material seems to be pretty good. $14.98 for the guard hand protector. Then you got the copper hand protector. And you got some Craftsman here, $268 for $159. You got some drawers there. Then 215 piece for $99. It looks like a 4-tool combo kit with the Versa stack for $229. Then you got this one, 7-piece hole saw for $29.98. And then you got this for $59. So good for the DIY. For somebody starting out, don't have any drills or any tools. That's a good drill to start there. $19.98 for the Craftsman, 50 feet, kink resistant hose. And then you got this one, the Rio, for $29.98. Looks like it's on clearance or special value. And you got this compressor. It's battery operated by Craftsman, $229, which is a good deal. $74.98. $24.98 for the charger, a 2-amp charger. And then you got the Craftsman 8-piece toolkit, $24.98. $14.98 for a 25 feet tape measure. A pack of 2. So it's just a standard tape measure. It does have the thicker tooth there, so it could grab a little bit more. $700 lumen flashlight, $29.97. Then $9.98 for the 14-piece gold oxide. That's not a bad deal for the homeowner or DIY. Got the ratchet bear tool, $99, and then you got the starter kit for $99. I guess if you buy one, you get one free. I don't know if they're still doing this promotion or not. But yeah, that's the 4 amp hour battery with the charger. Got the 7 1/4 24 tooth framing nailer, $6.98. Not too bad. Then $3.98 for the retractable utility knife with the 3 blade. You got the snap off. The Craftsman, pretty nice. I prefer to change the blade, so I prefer the other kind, like the one we have to the left there. I prefer that kind. That way you can just replace the whole blade. And that's on the wrong section there. Craftsman toy workbench for $39.98. And this is Craftsman hammers there. Got a 700 lumen flashlight for $29.97. Those are the batteries there to the left. And then you got this 44-piece ratcheting screwdriver for $19.98. That's the 44-piece. And it looks like it's compatible with the Versa stack. So got $32.98 for that work light. It's 2,000 lumen. Then you got the door hole saw kit, $19.98. Yeah, this is they're not selling a lot of these still left. $39.98 for a 61-piece Chrome Mechanics tool set. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to tell you guys. A lot of these items are going to go on clearance. They're going to go on a lot, like price drops, because a lot of people are not buying all these, so they're going to start going down. Pretty much, I would say after the holidays, that's when you're going to start seeing like an increase of price, like a big price drop. It's a great item here, compatible with the Versa stack. So, and then you got the Lufkin by Crescent tape measures. It's pretty much the Night Eye, so it's black with green letters, so it's kind of backwards from your regular, and they are double-sided, as you guys see there. So it's a pretty nice set for $19.98. Then you got this one, $15.98 for cooling gator. And that's for the warm weather. And then you got the speaker for $18.73. So pretty nice rugged speaker there. Bluetooth. $9.98 for those gloves. Speak Night. High abrasion. Abrasion resistant. Then $14.98 for the knife wall combo, Gerber. So that's a good brand, guys. If you guys don't know about knives, Gerber's a good brand. They do have some awesome metals and blades. They last pretty long. They're good quality stuff there. I got the Dremel, $29.98 and $49.98. That's for that's just the sounding pads. Then this one, I was looking at this one's really nice, $11.98 for the tough built. Looks really nice. They do have rubber handles. Seems to have pretty nice features in here. So anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. We're going to have a part 2 of this video for the pro side, or the power tool side of this store, because you know these videos get really long, and obviously if you guys don't want to watch that, you guys could watch it in the next round. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.